lowest common multiple, otherwise called least common multiple, or we call it what? LCM. What are common multiples of 4 and 6? What common multiple of 4 and 6 are 12, 24 and 36. Which is the lowest of these? 12 or 24 or 36? Which is lowest? It is 12. Very good. We say that the lowest common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12. Very good. It is the smallest number that both the numbers are factors of this number. Like, okay, for 4 and 6, 12 is the factor for both, right? So that is the idea. So the lowest common multiple, otherwise called LCM, of two or more given numbers is the lowest or smallest or least, you can call anything, of their common multiples. So that is, if we take some example and see, it will be a lot clear for you. Okay, let's look at this one. What will be the LCM of 8 and 12, 4 and 9, 6 and 9, etc. Okay, example 8. Find the LCM of the number 12 and 18. Solution. We know that the common multiples of 12 and 18 are 36, 72, 108, etc. Right? The lowest of these is 36, because 72 is greater than 36, hence the lowest is 36. Let us see another method to find the LCM of two numbers. This method is a little tedious, right? You have to find the multiples of 12, 12 multiples of 18, and then we have to find the common among them, right? So, but let's find the other easy methods. Second is the prime factorization of 12 and 18. Okay, this is a method, another method. That is, we find the factors of 12. What is the factors of 12?
2 into 2 into 3.
You remember how we did it? We have to put this guy inside the box. Then we have to draw branches. Okay. The first branches will be 2 here. And the second branch we have 6. Then this can be further factored into 2 more branches. Okay, it's going to be one box will have 2 and the other box will have 3. Very good. So this is how we got 2 into 2 into 3. Which are the root nodes? 2. We have to consider this and this and this. This is a parent node. Okay. So likewise, if you do for 18, you will get 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. So in these prime factorizations, the maximum number of times the prime factor 2 occurs is 2. Look at that. 2 comes twice, but here only once. Okay. So this happens for 12. 12 has this thing, right? You got 2 times 2 coming up here. Similarly, the maximum number of times the factor 3 occurs is 2 times. That comes in 18. Okay, the LCM of two numbers is the product of the prime factors counted the maximum number of times they occur in any of the numbers. Okay, since this occurs maximum number of times, 2 we take here, 3 we take here. That is, in case of LCM, we take 2 into 2 multiplied by 3 into 3. Okay, so this is not needed, this is not needed, something like that. Therefore, this is called the prime factorization method through which we find it. Okay, here is an example. This example, find the LCM of 24 and 90. Let's take the prime factors of 24 and 90. Okay, remember doing like this: 24 branching off into 2. Okay, likewise you have to keep on doing. Okay, one will be 12. Another would be 2, right? Then the 2 can be branched off to 2 more times. Likewise it keeps going, and you will find 24 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 90 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay. So that is the way we do that. Okay, so in these prime factorizations, the maximum number of times the prime factors 2 occurs is, in 24 it occurs 3 times. In 90, 3 occurs 2 times and 5 occurs 1 time, right? So 3 occurs is 2 times, the prime factor 5 occurs only once. Hence we have to take this and this from here and this from here, right? So when you multiply all these things you get 300. Very good. So let's take example 10. Find the LCM of all these 3 numbers. Which one?
40, 48 and 45.
Yeah. So what should we do first?
Do the prime factorization of 40, 48 and 45 are for
One.
the 40, first one 40.
Yeah, the 40 can be factorized into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. You know how to do that? Yes. Remember that thing, okay? Write it up, 40, and keep doing the branching method so that you will come to know. Likewise, the second one is 48. If you do the same way, you will end up getting 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. You have to do that, okay? Third one is 45. If you do 45, you will get it as
3 into 5.
3 into 3 into 5. But when you look at it, in all the these things, in which case the 2 occurs maximum number of times, that is in case of 48, right? So 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times. 5 in only once. 3, here we got maximum number of times 2 times, right? So that is how we take up all these things. So in this case we take all these things, okay? So that way the prime factor 2 appears maximum number of 4 times in 48, right? The prime factor 3 occurs maximum number of 2 times. So in case of 45, right, the prime factor 5 appears 1 time. Okay, so we take only 1. So we took all these things. Therefore the required LCM should be, we should take the 2's, the 3's and the 5. When you multiply, we get the answer
720.
Yeah. So LCM can also be found in other ways. Okay. This is the way is called prime factorization method. Okay. We take the rest later.